What's going on, guys? SLF Tuning here. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be installing a Quickshifter on my CBR600 2016. Let's go. So the bolts you got to take off, this one, pop this seat off first, which you just peel this back, one here, then you come around to the other side, same thing, bolt there, and bolt there. This one's for the passenger pair, don't worry about that. This one. After you pop out these two bolts right here, the seat just pops up, you pull it up and pull it away. And then now let's focus on getting these bolts out. The reason you need to take off this seat is because of this right here. This is the main bolt that holds the tank in its place. Now don't try to force these off at all. There's these little push pins, but this one's actually a screw. So just get a screwdriver, unscrew it, and then you can pry it up on both sides. And then this will pop off. Take off these. You got the seat off. Now come over to the fairings. Take out this bolt, and there's one hidden. I don't know if you can see it. It's over here. It's near the headlight. And then these are just push pins. Just pull. See? And that'll give you access to that bolt right there. You can take the whole fairing off if you want more, easier access, but I'm lazy. So just that bolt right there. I already did it on the other side, but got that bolt out. The only other thing I noticed on the other side, this side I don't have one, but there is this push pin. And it's this kind of push pin where you go like this. So there's different kinds of push pins. I don't know if I'll be able to record this all with one hand. I hope so. But yeah, you see it right there. Let me see if I could. Yeah, so you see how there's like a circle in it? You have to push that in first and then pull it out. Got the tank cover off. There's these two bolts right here. And then just loosen these. You don't have to take these out, but there's one bolt on this side, one bolt on this side, and then just loosen this. And this whole thing should swing up. So I got the cover off, so after you get those two bolts out, you just pull up. It'll feel like you're gonna break it, you won't. So make sure you organize all of your bolts. So these are all the bolts and push pins that I use to get all of this stuff out. And then there's the other two bolts that were actually holding the whole cover in. And then the last push pin. There should be two push pins if you have both, but I only had the one. If you have any other loose bolts, like this bolt was for this, make sure you keep them. So I got the gas tank out. Mine had this little cover. And then you can't see it. It's on this piece, actually. I want to see if I could show you. There's these two tabs. You have to push down on both of them at the same time while you pull. You can kind of hang your gas tank on like the edge of this because this is just your frame anyway. But yeah, that's how I got that off. And then there was two connectors actually. There's one here, and then there was one, I believe, right here. I ended up just taking off this whole side panel. You're gonna take your kit, and with the kit that I got, it's the HEALTECH kit, so it literally just connects right into your coils. There's a bolt on the other side of the radiator that you unscrew. It's a 10 mil, and then there's a bolt down there. I don't know if you can see it. That one. That's the one that you unscrew, and this is able to move forward and backward. And I'm sure you could see all the extra connections. So you connect the Quickshifter into your coils, and then it comes with a second connector that goes into your original connectors on your bike. So you do that, and then you can just route everything. I grounded right here. This is the ground, and then I ran it under my gas tank and into my seat, and then there's a sticky piece, and you put it there. So let's move on to the next step. So I already put everything on, but as you can see, there's this wire. Obviously, have the gas tank off. You can literally just route the wire under this, zip tie it wherever you can under the gas tank so that it's not getting like caught on anything. And you just put the connector right on top. Use the provided bolts, put it there. And then after you do that and everything's connected, start it up, and there should be a green light on the actual unit itself. And if it's green, that means everything's working. Go for a test ride. Go ahead and put everything back together, and you are all set and done. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your guys' time, and I hope this video helped. If you want a more in-depth detail how-to, let me know. I can always uninstall this and just redo it. So thanks, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good night, guys.